Hey everybody, David Lund with Excalibur rings. Today's ring making video, we're going to be making the Mystic. This is a ring that I had designed after a friend's wedding band that I made. It contains a ceramic ring core, a gray pigment powder, and then meteorite shavings. The ceramic is a material that we've never used in our shop before, but if it's somebody who's wearing a ceramic ring and they work often with heavy machinery, it's a great ring to have. That way, in case of an accident, you're not losing your finger because you can't get your ring off. So it's strong, but it'll break if you're trying to break it. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here and we'll get this ring going.